And it's Friday, and we're finally on our last number worksheet for this week. And our number we're covering today is number 8. So let's do our numbers on our hands all together. You ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 5 up on this hand and 3 up on this hand. Guess what? 5 plus 3 equals 8. We'll talk a lot about that later on. Right now we're learning our numbers, but pretty soon we're going to start talking about how we make the numbers. So right now let's get started on our number 8. Here we go, number 8. We need to write our name up at the top. Mrs. Green is what I wrote. Okay, the first square, the piggy always says we have to read it first. And there's only one number because the 8, we never lift up our pencil. So we start at number 1 and we follow it and go around and then back up. So that is how we make an 8. So over here it says we need to trace it. So if I start here where they say at the number 1, I'm going to start and go around and then back up. So the rhyme that goes with the number 8 is like this. It says, make an S and then don't wait, go back up and make an 8. So make an S and then don't wait, go back up and make an 8. So we're going to trace all of these 8s. And now we're going to try and make them on our own. So we're going to start here. We're going to go around, make an S, then don't wait, go back up and make an 8. Okay? Make an S and then don't wait, go back up to make an 8. Now my 8s, I usually don't like to make them like that, and I'm going to tell you a way you can cheat, because this doesn't look like the best 8 to me. I like to make my 8s by doing 2 circles, and they need to be touching. They kind of look like little snowmen. So if you find it easier to make your 8s like that, then that is fine. All right, we're going to go now in and be a private investigator, and we're going to find all of our number 8s. So we have to use our magnifying glass, and we're going to go through the first line, start on the left-hand side, and just do one number at a time. So let's say them as we're doing them, okay? 0, 7, 8. Oh, circle that one. 6, 1, 8. Oh, let's circle that one again. 1, 10, 3, 7, 8. Oh, good. Circle that one. And 10. So we found 1, 2, 3 8s on that top line. Now let's go to the middle line. And they're trying to play a trick on us right here because I see an 8 right there. But there's a 1 right next to it. So that is not the number 8. This is the number 18. So we're not going to circle that one. So that's 18, 17, 0, 5, 1, 3. So, oh, Mrs. Green messed up. Let's go back. 1, 2, 8. Oh, I got to circle that one. 9, 7, 8. Oh, I got to circle that one. And 6. Okay, so see, anybody can make a mistake. Mrs. Green makes mistakes, and sometimes even moms and dads make mistakes, and you can make a mistake too, but that's okay because that's why we have erasers, just in case you make a mistake. All right, I'm going to have you do the last row. Then this square right here says color it, and I chose red violet. So I'm going to color in my E and my I and my G, and my H, and my T. And that E-I-G-H-T spells 8. All right, now we're going to go over to where the pencil is right here, and it says write 8 5 times. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to make them like I do. You can make them with the S sound if you, or like the S how I showed you, and I'll show you again. It starts like this. It says make an S and then don't wait, go back up and make an 8. So you can make an 8 like that, or you can do like I do and make it touch the sky and the middle line, and then the next circle touches the ground. Okay, and as long as they're touching in between, that makes it look like an 8. So touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky with the first circle and touch the ground. So let's make sure we have 5 8s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 8s. Okay, so now I need to draw. Right here it says draw it. So I need to come up with, what do I want to draw? Maybe today I will make butterflies. So I'll make 1 butterfly, 2 butterflies, 3 butterflies, 4 butterflies, 5 butterflies, 6 butterflies, 7 butterflies. Oh, and I need 1 more. 8 butterflies. So you don't have to make butterflies. You could make 8 of anything you want, but I thought it'd be fun to do some butterflies today. All right, and the last box says show it, and it is a 10 frame, so we have to make 8 into this one. So we're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we made 8 X's in our 10 frame. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And a little earlier I told you about how I used my fingers and I did 3 and 5 made 8. I'm just going to show you what that looks like if I were to make that an adding problem. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. So we're learning how to do adding already, and we just started kindergarten. You guys are going to learn so much. All right, I'm going to turn my paper back over so you can see it one more time. And I hope everyone has a wonderful weekend, and I will see you again on Monday.